Hey everyone, it's Annette. So I wanted to come back on and do another video for you pertaining to Madam Glam because they are having such good sales going on right now. This is the time to stock up on your favorite colors, try different collections maybe that you haven't had a chance to try, or just get some, just try some new different colors. Or if you haven't tried Madam Glam, this would be the perfect time to go ahead and give it a try because the sales are so good. This is another collection. This is a rubber base gel collection. This is like a wedding theme collection. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. As a matter of fact, I wore this color almost all summer long because my daughter had our first grandchild and it was a boy, and I cut my nails down really short, but I still wanted something on my nails, and this is what I wore, and I received so many compliments on this color. Everybody just loved this color. They wanted to know where I got it from, who made it. So anyways, so yeah, so it's a beautiful collection. I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and go over these colors. And then there's some other polishes that I want to show you. Some of them might be in collections and some of them might not be from collections. So let's go ahead and start with this first collection. As I said, this is the rubber base collection and it's wedding inspired. So the first one that we're going to look at is Champagne Toast. This is the one that I wore throughout the whole time that I was in Wisconsin. This is so pretty. That's much better with the other light on. That is so pretty. Look at how beautiful that is. It's just so soft and subtle, but like when the sun hits it, oh my gosh, it is so sparkly. I love this color. This is so pretty. I absolutely love this color. And then here it is on the swatch stick. My lighting is not doing it justice, but it is so pretty. It is absolutely gorgeous. The next color is Diamond Bride. This is really pretty, but isn't that gorgeous? Look at how beautiful that is. That is so pretty. This is a beautiful color for in fall, and then also for winter and Christmas, and then even New Year's. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And then here it is on the swatch stick. That is absolutely beautiful. I love that one. And then this one is Pearl Promise. This is really pretty. This really reminds me of like something that you would wear to a wedding or in your wedding. This is so pretty. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this color. It is so pretty. And then here it is on the swatch stick. So pretty. And then this one is Wedding Veil. It looks like it has some iridescent glitter in it. This is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. It has a shift between some blues and some greens. It is absolutely gorgeous. And here it is on the swatch stick. So pretty. And then the last one from this collection is Crystal Vow. This is a beautiful silver. Look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. That is so nice. Look at how nice that is. That is so sparkly. I love that. And then here it is on the swatch stick. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love these colors. So here are what the colors look like on the swatch sticks all together. These are absolutely gorgeous. I really do recommend the rubber base coat because this was so easy to work with. I have never used rubber base coat before. It was so easy to work with. The wear time was really nice and long. It was so nice. I received a lot of compliments when I had worn the one color Champagne Toast. But this is 2 coats on these and then 1 coat of the no wipe top coat. And then now I want to discuss some of my favorite neutrals from Madam Glam. Again, I had a hard time picking these out because I love all of their neutrals, but let's just go ahead and get into them and start looking at them. So the first one is Gardenia. I'm not sure if this was in a collection or not. I can't totally remember, but this is a beautiful white with a light touch of like a buttercup yellow, very, very soft and subtle. It is very, very, very beautiful. I love this. If you're into stamping, this is actually a really nice color for your base color for stamping. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love that color. And then here it is on the swatch stick. It is so pretty. I love that color. It's like a beigey, yellowy, light, creamy color. It is so pretty. And then the next color is Canadian Winter. This color is so, so pretty. I love this color so much. It is like a very, very slight tint of pink. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. And here it is on the swatch stick. It has just the slightest hint of pink. It is so pretty. And then the next color is Rosy Nude. This is another beautiful, beautiful pink. It's like a beigey, it's like a beigey, pinky tinge. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. Look at how pretty that is. That is so pretty. And then here it is. See how pretty that is? It's like a, I don't know, kind of reminds me of like a, maybe like a dusty kind of a rosy kind of, maybe a little bit of peachy. It is really, really pretty. It is so pretty. And then the next color is Beige Rose. This is another beautiful, beautiful neutral color. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is beige, but then it has a little undertone of like pink. It is so, so pretty. It is so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then here it is on the swatch stick. It's a really, really nice beige neutral color. It is so pretty. And then now we're going to get into some more colorful colors. I chose some glitters that I like. I chose some darker colors that I like and some reds that I really enjoy. So let's just go ahead and get into these. Okay, so this first color is Wicked Whisper, and this was in the October collection, I'm pretty sure. This is so pretty. Look at this orange. It's like a foily kind of a glitter. It is so, so pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this orange. So pretty. And then here it is on the swatch stick. It is so sparkly. Look at how beautiful that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And then this red, this is Grand Canyon. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this red. This is perfect for fall and winter. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. This is a beautiful, beautiful red. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then here it is on the swatch stick. See how pretty that red is? That is so pretty. That is beautiful. Okay, and then the next color I want to talk about is Eco Chic Red. This is so pretty. Look at that glitter in there. This is absolutely gorgeous, and wait until you see it on the swatch stick. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, that is so, so pretty. It is so glittery and sparkly. It is it looks like Dorothy and the Red Slippers on Wizard of Oz. That's what this reminds me of. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is perfect for, well, could have used it for Halloween, but Halloween is over with. But perfect, still perfect for fall, perfect for Christmas, really sparkly for Christmas. Going into New Year's, definitely, and then also Valentine's Day. Beautiful, beautiful for Valentine's Day. This is a beautiful, beautiful red glitter. Look at that. Let me turn on my light. I don't know if it's going to do it better. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. That is so sparkly. I love this one. And I'm going to switch over to some golds now. This one, it's not you, it's me. This is absolutely beautiful. And this is definitely on the true gold side. Definitely. This is so pretty. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Perfect for fall, perfect for Christmas, perfect for New Year's. See how pretty that is? That is so sparkly. I love that. Love that. And then we're going to go ahead and do another gold. This is 24 karat. Oh my gosh. So this gold is a lighter gold. It has more of a, maybe more of a silver tinge to it. I'm not totally sure how to describe it, but this is absolutely gorgeous as well. It is so, so pretty. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. And then I'll show you the two swatch sticks together after I show you this one. And here it is on the swatch stick. So then this is the other one that I just showed you. It's not you, it's me. And then we have 24 karat. So see how they have a different color? This one's more of like a, I want to say this is a goldy gold and this is like a silvery gold, if I'm describing that the right way. They're both very, very beautiful colors. We might as well just go ahead and do the yellow. So this is Mimosa. This is beautiful. I saw somebody else that I watched, they got this and it was so pretty, and I thought this would be beautiful for like bumblebee nails. I haven't had a chance to do bumblebee nails yet, but I'm going to do bumblebee nails this summer. This is so pretty. Look at that. This is so, so pretty. This would actually be a really good color for right now, for in the fall. This is a beautiful, beautiful yellow. It can go either way. Definitely a good spring and summer color. See how pretty that is? That is just so pretty. That would have been perfect for bumblebee nails. So pretty. And now we're going to go off onto Fancy Bikini. Somebody else that I watched, they had this and I was like, oh my God, I gotta get this. Isn't that pretty? Look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. It's like a, what is it? Like a brownish, purpley, lilac-y, beigey kind of a color. It's a beautiful color. I absolutely love this color. This is so, so pretty. I love this color. And here it is on the swatch stick. Fancy Bikini. I love that. This is one of my favorite grays. This is called Visionary. I can't remember if this was in a collection or not. I'm not totally sure, but look at how pretty that gray is. That is just so pretty. It reminds me of like a sweater I had a long time ago, except the sweater had pearls on it. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty that gray is. That is just so pretty. To me, this is just like the perfect gray. And then here it is on the swatch stick. Look at how beautiful that is. And then also, I really love that gray with Fancy Bikini. Look at how pretty those two are together. Isn't that pretty? Sweater nails, oh my gosh, these two colors would be perfect for sweater nails together. I love those. And so the last color I picked out is Midnight Hour, and I think this was another one that was from the recent October collection. This is so pretty. Look at this brown. It's like it's a beautiful brown. It looks like it has a little bit, like on the side of the bottle, it looks like it has a little bit of burgundy undertones, but on the swatch stick, I can't really see the burgundy undertones, but it is so, so beautiful. I just thought that this was the perfect brown for this time of year. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then here it is on the swatch stick. And then there it is, just on a white background. This is a really, really nice brown. I really, really love this brown. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you a few more of the colors that I really enjoy from Madam Glam. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what these colors look like if you haven't already seen the colors. But yeah, this is the perfect time to go over to Madam Glam and stock up on your favorite colors, or give Madam Glam a try for the first time if you have not already tried them out. As usual, I will leave Madam Glam's information in the description box along with my coupon code I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.